Sorry, Mr. Crispin. We need your weapon.
Wouldn't want to be rude. Not a scratch.
Mr. Quinn said you like to see the raw merchandise.
I'd like to know what I'm paying for. I asked for my merchandise to be delivered here. Where can I find Poppy?
Mr. Quinn got your request. Don't worry. She's here. I have to tell you Mr. Quinn's rules, though. All payments must be made in cash or through a secured account. If you want to sample any of the girls before they're open to bidding, you gotta pay a small fee. Premium girls are off limits. Don't want to lower the value if you get it.
Yeah, I get you.
Make sure it's a quiet night or we aren't going to be able to keep the other boys from shutting you down.
Our clients are low-key.
Yeah, wire the payment over.
Never mind.
This is Mr. Crispin. I'm taking him to meet Mr. Quinn. They won't bring all the merchandise on stage at once. It's on my schedule for private show. Each one of them has been tagged with a number. Keeps things official. A few guests prefer to watch their monologue. I was told you want to see the stage.
How else can I get a full appreciation of what you guys do?
Step aside. Mr. Quinn's waiting. Mr. Quinn is up there with Iraq. No, just got word from the boss. Some of Quinn's guys got popped. Something ain't right.
Everything's in order.
He wants to double check all ideas on everybody that comes in. Triple check.
Final call. Sold. Moving on to the next item on your tablets. Bidding has opened. We have an opening bid. Final call on this bid.
Another pass.
Final call.
We're not supposed to, otherwise it's clear.
Sold. Moving on to the next item on your tablets. Bidding has opened. We have an opening bid.
All due respect, it's your man gonna miss it. The shit all risk now. Extra security ain't enough. We should have canceled.
The risk
Another bid received.
is allowing yourself to be seen as weak.
Bid was
Relax.
raised.
Do what you have to do. Don't make a circus
Bids
of
are
it.
still open.
My men are stretched.
Open to raise.
Your men are expendable, Mr. Rank.
Final
Business
call on
must
this
proceed.
bid.
Meantime,
Final call.
find out who killed my men.
Sold.
That's all.
Moving on to the next item on your tablets.
Mr. Crispin. Would you excuse me?
Of course.
Our honored guest has arrived.
Mr. Quinn, unfortunately I can't stay.
Any other bids, gentlemen?
Enjoying our little pageant?
Final call.
Oh, which one? The one down there up here?
Oh, my associate, Mr. Iraq. He's a loyal soldier.
Sold.
Buddy is young. What do you see when you look down there?
I see.
Bidding has
Someone
opened.
flexing his power.
Mr.
We have an
Wright
opening bid.
sees it as an auction. He sees
Open to raise.
rewards.
Another bid received.
Experience has taught me
Bid
not
was
to be
raised.
manipulated,
Any other bids,
not to back
gentlemen?
down. I don't protect the banks that much, Crispin.
Final call on this bid. Final call.
Life has taught me a great many things to get me where I am.
Moving on to the next item on your tablets.
And luck had nothing to do with any of it.
Bidding has opened. We have an opening bid.
Mr. Crispin,
Final call on
they don't
this
trust
bid.
you.
I know, we're leaving.
Final call.
Come here. Closer. A tattoo.
It's a tracking device beneath the skin. It's also very efficient for business.
I can scramble its signal.
Bidding has opened.
That's it?
Yeah.
We have an next item being offered.
I overheard them talking about Crispin.
Multiple items.
They know something is wrong. We need to get out of here now. Through the basement.
Come with me.
No, I won't leave my friends.
Okay.
We have an opening bid.
I'll send help.
That bid was raised. Another any other
A late-night heist in the downtown car
bid was raised.
resulted in millions of dollars worth of damage. Another in the robbery. The thieves expertly bypassed the alarm system, even temporarily security footage.
All set. Sold. Moving on to the next item on your tablets.
American product. I expect that to drive the prices up.
Bidding has opened.
Security's
We
been
have an
expensive.
opening bid.
Please don't like domestic merchandise.
All right, gotta get out of here fast.
Final call.
If work gets out.
Another bid received. Any other bid
I'll try the back.
raised.
You see him, you grab him.
I better restock my weapons. Everyone's out to kill me now.
I swear I see something. Watch your back.
Shit, who the hell's that?
What was that?
This motherfucker needs to be dropped once and for all. Find him!
Got it, brother, damn!
Shit, man! He got popped! Don't see a damn thing. I'll look over there.
He's shot, y'all! He's shot! Eyes open, man. Stay away just in case.
Yo, what's going on? Whoa, whoa, don't get snaked, stay low, stay low! Yo, whoa, watch out!
Huh? Shit over here, I'm moving on.
We'll dig him out, come on! If he's hiding, you find him. Yo, why, yo, shut.
Bet you ain't seen nothing like me.
Ain't right, cuz. Do me a favor.
I can fuck this guy up.
Stay awake just in case. Go, I got you.
Got my eyes on you, motherfucker. I'm gonna end you.
Ain't even gonna see it coming.
Bitch about to get one right between the eyes. Get behind something, come on! Roll out, I got you from here.
find a spot to pick them off. I got this fool scope.
Watch your shots! Make them count!
Make them see
You
you.
better put the fuck down!
Hey, dude, this our motherfucking turn.
Why don't you just give up?
I got my eyes on him. Don't trip.
You can't stop me. Why don't you just give up? What the fuck do you think?
Man, screw that.
I'm taking shots here, cuz! No way, no way!
That little bitch is somewhere around here.
Don't just stand!
There's a big shootout going on. Barrows and Brandon docks.
Brandon Docks, respond.
Good. So find these girls and get them someplace safe. As for the bidders, any slip past the bus, they'll end up on my plate eventually. And run them through the profiler. Then I can expose them for what they've done here. And shut down this ring.
Mr. Pearce? Jax has wandered off. I'm very worried. I was going to call the police, but I wanted to call you first.
No, that's good. He does this sometimes. He's stressed. He likes to ride the trains. Don't worry. I know how to find him.
Please call me once you know anything. We really should involve the police if you can't find him.
It's going to be fine. Really. I was worried Jax would do this. He's not a kid that sits still. He's got a lot of his uncle in him. Gone searching for his mother. Well, Where'd he go? There he is.